Good morning. How was everyone doing today? Good morning, David. Good morning, Wakey, Scott, Keith, Nina. We're just waiting for Christine to join us. Yeah. What do we got here? I had a couple trades in the overnight session. I'll go over it in a bit here. But yeah, no, we're basically above all of our levels. Overnight VWAP, previous day's New York, previous day's point of control, previous day's value area high. And, we had this pullback to this overnight VWAP. But as you can see in the overnight session, the buyers defended this very nicely. So we had a pullback to here. Let's see what happens into the open. I'm not going to be trading until the 15-minute opening range sets.
Good morning. How's everybody?
Good morning, Jordan. Everybody knows Top One has just dropped a big sale, so everything is 55% off, instant funded, straight to funded, pro accounts, everything. So Christine and I both have codes. Use either one. You don't have to tell us. We won't. Our feelings won't be hurt.
Use mine.
Yeah, use Christine's. It's good luck. Seriously, it is.
Oh man. Hi, Ak. I'm literally talking to Ak right now.
Oh, good. You guys connected.
Yeah.
I meant to send you his Twitter. But you found him on X or Discord?
Yes. No, he found me on Discord.
Oh, good. Yeah, I messaged him yesterday, and he was saying Discord or X. Yes. Thanks for pointing that out, Wakey. So with the discount code right now at Top One, if you add Christine's discount code or my discount code, you get 55%, and then you throw stack 5 on top of that, it'll give you an extra 5%, so 60% off. Did anybody trade in the overnight session? Anybody do anything pre-market? Dave, talking to you.
Stack 5. That's a cool code.
It's like the infinite money glitch. Nobody knows about it.
I like it.
Yeah, so Christine, I took 2 trades in the overnight session last night.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, the first one was a loser. My stop was a bit tight. The second one, I was fine with the stop where it was on this trade. I got to mark it up and actually say what I did to make it a little more clear.
How many points was that stop?
3 points. But I was only going for 4. I was only going for 4 points.
I don't know, Randy. 3 points.
Well, the open, if you think about it, without this move, this only moved like 8 points in the first 4 hours. So you have to look at it like even my second stop was still 3 points. It's the Asian session. Like I'm only going for 5 points. I'm not trying to trade for 10.
Did it move 10? Or only went 5 points?
It ended up moving 10, but I got my 5. I'm fine with it.
Nice.
Moved 10 into the London session. But there was orders here down on 24 on Bookmap. And I didn't think they were going to fill when I took the original long. I ended up getting stopped out. Those orders got filled, and then there was nothing below, and there was a bunch of orders above on ES and on NQ.
Nice.
It held the overnight.
What accounts did you take that on?
This is just my single 50K account, my instant funded.
Nice.
This is more of like trading, like my style of trading. This is not scalping at all. This was a 6-hour trade.
Yeah. While you're sleeping.
Yeah, exactly. I woke up to it, so that's a good feeling. No, I think you can use it multiple times. How did you do on your trade there, Dave? Your overnight session trade? So those were my 2 trades last night, but
nice. Good job. Winner, winner. Chicken
Nice.
dinner.
So yeah, looking at this, you know, I can't really even see. I could see maybe a move down to 64.32. There's orders sitting down there at 64.30, and then everything else is really above. So
We talked about news yet today? What's going on?
yeah. No, we haven't, Christina. Thank you for bringing that up. I should actually pull that up.
So we have jolts at 10 a.m. EST time, which is one you want to watch out for sure.
Followed up with consumer confidence. So yeah, maybe if you're gonna get into something, get out of the trade before 10 a.m.
Yeah.
If you're not in anything, maybe just hang tight.
We weren't only 6 minutes in. I jumped in a little early yesterday, so I'm trying to rectify that. But I guess I'm always looking for longs. That's no shocker. But I do like how it bounced recently off the overnight VWAP.
Yes, I agree. Yesterday was a good lesson in patience for me. I don't know, 15, 20 minutes before I entered a trade. And it was basically one and done on those accounts. I did take a second trade in this 50K. So this 50K instant funded account, I'm just trying to be like letting the trade, like not letting the pressure of nine accounts, kind of like just being a little more free with it, a little more like trying to flow.
Yeah.
So that's why I left that trade on last night. If it was my 9 copy traded accounts, I would have done that. I would have had probably a really tight trailing stop behind it just to minimize any losses. But this account, I just want to get comfortable with just trading for longer moves again. So
yeah.
And yesterday I technically didn't scalp the trade, but it was a scalp trade. Like I didn't enter the trade looking for a scalp, but we just took profits at that level.
Right.
We saw the orders fill on Bookmap, and I got like 4 points out of the trade, or not even, maybe 4 points out of the trade, something like that. Where I was looking for like 8 or 9 points was my TP. And what happened if I didn't take profits, or I would have came back and stopped me out. I got to get the mega index up on my chart. Christine, do you have it on yours?
I just have, no, not
the individual Mag 7s.
I just have the Mag 7s that I occasionally look at, but I do need to do the one where you like amalgamate them all together. I do like this long, even though we're within the 15-minute, just basically based on the extended trading hours. It just looks like a really nice bounce trade off the VWAP, like a really nice bounce trade.
Yeah, no, I like it, especially this wick off of the overnight. The seller's trying to do something there. Yeah, I'm back to a 1 minute chart. I'm going back to what I know. How far are we away from all-time highs? Yeah, we're 20 points away.
I wish I could tell you. I've never gotten a payout before, so I'm unfamiliar with how long it takes. Anybody, I don't know if you can answer Ack's question in the chat. How long does Top Step take?
Yeah,
their first payout.
I've heard from Nick. That's the one thing that turned Nick Jocelyn off about Top Step was I think it was 3 weeks or something, or
that's
2.5 weeks. He got the payout and there was no issues. It just took forever. He did not like that at all. I don't really. You got all these orders above us, and that's about it. But
you. I want to be long.
What does bats mean? On David, like how he says add bats, Apple plus bats, not NVIDIA. But I know it's like he's adding.
It
Yeah,
looks like
that's how it is when you put it in.
I have no idea. It looks like some kind of code. Copy and paste that into what? Dave, we need more instructions.
Oh, into the chart. I'll do it right now. Thanks, Dave. Christine's a newbie.
I'm technically not advanced.
It's beginning of the week for us, guys. Be nice.
Guys, we have a new podcast. If you haven't listened to it, it's with Ack, and it was an awesome conversation. So it's definitely worth a listen. Came out yesterday.
I was reading the comments this morning, and one of the comments was Randy's always got the best office.
I know.
Or Randy's always got the coolest office or something. I loved it. That's so good.
Search bar in Trading View. Where's there a
like
search
how you put
bar?
Up top, like so you know how it says where you put an MES.
Oh yeah.
So I copied and pasted what Dave gave me.
I get it. Okay. And you put it into like a new window?
Yeah. We got us a mega index. Thanks, Dave. Let's see if I can pull this up for us here, guys.
Yeah, Ack was like a secret agent of information. I was like, what? So good. And I feel like things that people hadn't said before, which is cool. Like people, I don't know. He's just like like a secret agent trader in my opinion now.
Does that look right, Dave? It's trading underneath it's New York.
Nina. It's true, right? I'm glad I didn't get into a long, guys. I just want to say that right now.
Ooh. That's why I just didn't like there was nothing below us for orders. And it's just the orders at 30 and that was it.
Oh, okay. I get it. So now I have all the Meg 7 together and we broke below the VWAP, the daily, and then we rejected off of it and now we're moving lower. So
moving down to previous days New York.
This kind of reaction could be a simple like, hey, we're not, Meg 7s are not above this, so we're not looking for longs yet. That's what you're telling me. Morning,
Big
JP.
Drop, big drop.
Big pop, big drop. I like it. That should be on a t-shirt. We got to start getting t-shirts on here so we can wear swag.
Keith, how often do you trade before the opening range sets?
Oh, you did take a long, Keith. That's okay.
Like we've been flip-flopping back and forth, but for the first 14 or 15 months, I didn't trade the opening range.
Yeah.
Like rule number one.
Yeah, sometimes, yes, you'll miss the occasional move waiting, but usually it keeps you out of a lot, really is what it does. So can I save this? We want to rename it.
Trying to adjust my screen for you guys to get a little bit better view. What do you think? How's that? And then I made Christine and I a little bigger.
You know, I don't know if I've seen it. I think we talked. Let me go back to our conversation. Sorry, I've been kind of I don't know, not with it the last little bit. Oh, sorry, I didn't realize I hadn't responded. I'll respond in our conversation today.
Oh, good for keeping the risk low, at least there, Keith. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna probably hang tight till the news comes in. You could easily be on the wrong side of the trade when the news comes in. Yeah, it looks like some people in the Black Shirt Club, and ASFX got long too, and then luckily either got out really fast or took a small loss.
Traveling to Utah tomorrow. For those
who is traveling to Utah?
Me.
Are you guys going to another thing with?
Yeah, with Andrew's business mentor. He's doing like public speaking session, and then his mentor is also running like a buying business workshop, basically, where he like takes businesses and brokers deals like in front of everyone.
Oh, cool. Nice.
Yeah, so it's really cool. Yeah.
What's his? Does he have a real name?
Yeah, Keaton.
Oh, Keaton. That's what it was. I thought it was. So Austin was somebody else then.
Austin, yes, that was a different person.
Yeah. Okay. That's what I thought. For those who don't know, Christina is talking about some people will know him as the Muscle. From Diesel Bros or Diesel Boys. Yep. And now he's taken, I can't believe where he's gone from there. But he was quite smart on that show. And now he's just like elevated to another level. Yeah.
Yeah. And he has a really big passion for like helping people do the same. So it's kind of cool.
I just started following him, so I'm actually getting into his content.
Yeah. He's cool. Like if you listen to some of his, like he does, you know what you should do, Randy, is join his
Limitless.
Yes, because it's a cheaper one and it's monthly, and you like hear all the stuff that he yells at you about. He's like a yeller, so you sit there and listen for an hour of him yelling at you, but it's like all amazing, like information.
How many people are there at this event? Like when you guys go?
I think there's about 100 something.
There it goes.
So he has 2 different programs. So this one is the Blueprint, which teaches people how to buy businesses with little money, basically, because there's so many businesses for sale, and going the seller financing route, and then basically getting yourself cash flow with a already profitable business is the idea.
I see.
Gap fill? Is that what we're looking at?
I don't have a gap.
You don't have a gap?
No. Oh, I'm looking because I have it. Sorry, my bad. Yeah, it could be. Previous days, New York is down where the gap fill would be. I just think once the sellers get some juice going, it's.
Yeah.
The buyers have been just pushing all night long, right? So.
I also have an all-time high Vwap on down at 64.24 on regular trading hours. So I wonder if that's about the gap fill as well. So I wonder if that'll be any support at all, but we'll see.
So now we're sitting on previous day's point of control, so. I wonder how many people got faked out into a long. Thinking of all-time highs being 20 points away. And the news is going to come out bullish and it's going to pop. That's how it goes, right? Everybody gets stopped out and then it goes higher.
Yeah, let's see what news does. What time is it? Are we at 10 yet? No, we have 9 minutes.
Oh, 9 minutes.
Definitely. I don't know. I'd be, if you're going to take along for news, make sure it's in an account that you don't care about.
So I met another trader that lives in Spain. That's female yesterday.
Another one?
Laura April. She's an ASFX and she just reached out to me and asked me some questions about Canada. So I told her we can get on a call because I'm like, I don't know how to even, what questions she wants to maybe move to Canada.
Gosh, tell her no. Tell her no.
I don't want to start by saying that. It's not very, very Canadian or nice of me.
Oh my gosh.
I like the long day, but like I said, you're on the wrong side of the trade when the news comes in. You're not going to be too happy. But I do like the longs from down here. Why not? Anywhere you can buy the long lower, why not? It's better, isn't it? So where's that overnight VWAP now? So if you look back on this, Dave, the buyers have defended that overnight VWAP diligently. Like, no playing around. We're well below it, so I'd almost need to see us. And look at where the New York VWAP is relative to that overnight VWAP. This is something that Scott talks about, and it's interesting too, really paying attention to the slope of the VWAP.
Mm-hmm. And there's no mistake. It is curving down right now. But news can change a lot. Like if you get a big injection, that price will like shoot back up to VWAP and you'll see a drastic change in the direction. A death cross? What is that, Dave? Never heard of that.
Dave, we gotta have you on stream soon.
Yeah.
Dave's got everything set up to come on stream, Christine.
Love it. Let's get him on.
Yeah.
New term. Coined it. Death cross.
We just need to cue the Darth Vader music.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna put that in a markup today and see if anyone says anything. I'd be like, this death cross happened here, and I need more coffee. I've been having not good sleeping lately.
I need to find out how to get an espresso machine down too. I should just look on Costco Mexico's website how much an espresso machine is.
You can just go buy espresso. Or don't
No,
they
but
have
I'm not going to go out. I have it at like 6 in the morning. I'm not going to walk to the coffee shop.
Why not? It's beautiful at 6 in the morning there.
What time does it open?
That's a great question.
Yeah, I don't think it'll be open at 6.
In Mexico, no.
No. Are there lots of bugs? I meant to ask you, like mosquitoes?
No. There are scorpions.
Yeah.
And geckos. And other bugs. Like those rhino beetles.
Yeah, I've seen those.
They're so slow. I don't even know how they're still alive. They're so dumb.
Is there like a EpiPen for scorpion bites?
Yes, you go to a clinic. There's 2 clinics in town, and you would just go there no matter like what scorpion it is. Well, you as an adult maybe not, but if your child,
the kids, you don't play around.
The orange ones are worse, and they do have them in the area. But I think, like, my kids saw a lot of scorpions at school, and they have these like metal tweezers that they pick them up with and put them in a jar, and then they like go release them. But I've only seen 2 at my house. One was dead in the like beginning cleanup season, and then one was at the very end in our like garage. And that one was
You
not
ever been
dead.
bitten or stung?
No.
Cool.
And I didn't hear of any kids getting stung this past year at school. They said that one kid got stung on a finger one time. And their protocol is they just take the kid right away to the clinic.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
I don't think what other bugs. Mosquitoes aren't bad. They may be worse when you're there just because of the rainy season.
Yeah.
But I don't really remember, like, yeah. Sand fleas sometimes. Like, in the beginning, my ankles would be itchy.
There was some spots in Thailand that I read about that had like crazy sand fleas. If you went out at sunrise to the beach, out on the beach, you'd get just like, oh, there we go. There's your news. Oh, news didn't even come in yet. Interesting.
Yeah, it's like before. It's like,
Dave,
like
did you take the long?
it.
Good work, Dave.
Yeah, nice. 43 days.
Dave, I love your YouTube screenshot. Scuba gear. Dave is a certified scuba instructor, Christine. So if you want to learn scuba, Dave can teach.
I get it. I get it now.
On a side note, guys, Christine's going to be starting her own YouTube channel.
Why do you got to put that pressure out?
Premiere date TBD or whatever you say. To be disclosed.
TBD. Yeah. It's on the list.
Yeah, W's in the chat for Christine.
Yeah.
Why do we have to get this nice push up just before the news comes in? Like, why does it have to tease us like this?
Just because that's life.
And the news is going to come in and it's going to pop? Like, come on now. This is not cool. This is not cool for people learning to trade. And then someone's going to go on X and say that they knew it was going to, the news was positive and they took this trade and they made $1 million. And I agree, Dave. The news is going to wreck someone.
You know, guys,
not just go dark.
If this wrecks all of our setups, we can always come back tomorrow, right?
I agree. I love it.
I'm
really working on patience.
Yeah.
Go watch the podcast, like Christine was saying, we did with the hack. And he talks about a friend of his that's been trading for 10 years and what he had to do to have his breakthrough. So 10 years.
Yeah. Nina, let's do it together. Love it.
Oh, nice. Axe scuba dives too. Look at that.
Rescue certification. Cool.
Those orders up top at 64.40 and 64.41 kind of went light. Those orders at 25 are starting to come off.
That was it. Should be any second now.
Bam.
Wham bam.
Well, when you watch it on Bookmap, it just looks so funny. Okay, they're digesting it.
Doesn't know what to do yet.
Digesting it. What do we think? Look at that indecision.
It's not. It's like
financial juice looks like absolute crap.
What is financial juice saying?
Oh, so on Forex Factory, it was forecast 7.51 million and actual 7.44. Previous 7.77. So it's down a little bit, but I have there's less job openings. Is that what I'm understanding here? 7.44 million job openings versus 7.5? forecasted.
Okay, Austin says it's a good beat. Got it.
Yeah.
Thank you. Can we need Austin here to decipher the news for us? Because we're always so like, is this good? Is this bad? But yes, less job openings, which means that less people are unemployed, or there's not as many jobs in the economy. Couldn't it be bad or good?
No, I mean there's less.
More people
less.
working. Okay.
Yeah,
which
less
is a good
openings.
thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just put in their chat that the news is a good beat, just to make sure if anybody didn't catch Austin saying that. How can you listen to him and be on us at the same time?
I know.
Oh, see, Scott, there you go. Thanks, Scott. That's interesting.
Okay, see? Yeah. That makes sense.
Oh, guys.
Well,
almost look to short this down to 25.
yeah,
but
looks honestly like a nice little short there. I'm going to mark it up because I don't take shorts.
throw a low a day VWAP on here. If you guys can see this, yeah, you can see that on the screen. Look at this. So you put this low a day VWAP, we find support previous days New York. This big candle was right on the low a day VWAP. So looking at this, if I wanted to be short, I'd want to see a clean break of this day. Because price could easily come back to this low day VWAP and just find support there again and pop. Wow, that's pretty cool. Axe just short of 100 dives to date.
Cool.
Something I've always wanted to do, but I have a little bit of a fear of water that I developed later in life, and then I also kind of claustrophobic.
Yeah. When I was a teenager, I wanted to be a marine biologist, but then I was afraid of diving because I didn't want to like turn around and there'd be like a giant fish in my face. So I couldn't do it.
You need to go watch that movie, Deep Blue Sea.
Oh my God.
Where they have the underwater research station and the shark comes.
Sharks, I'm like terrified of too. It's just ridiculous. But what's worse than sharks, in my opinion, is alligators and crocodiles.
I might look to get short here, guys.
I mean, my marked up short is doing okay so far.
Just not a I don't want to put my stop all the way at the opening range high. That's my problem.
See, I don't like break of low of day entries. I think if you were short, you should have been up at like 33.
I didn't like that because the way the low of day held.
What are you talking about? Oh, the low of day. Yeah, well,
WWAP.
it doesn't hold.
I just have to go smaller size.
You can always wait to see if it comes back up to the Vwap. Remember, we're still kind of sloping down. We're evening out a little bit.
I'm gonna hang tight, I think.
Meg 7s are still below, so I don't know. I don't know.
Well, NQ's making basically a new low of New York session.
Okay.
Or somewhat a little bit of like a
kind
of like a double bottom. What is going on here with my charts? Why is that frozen like that? How far away NQ is from its previous day VWAP. Previous day's New York.
Mm-hmm. Don't know. I don't know.
Did anybody end up taking anything, or is everybody flat? Where's Jose? Where's Flats?
We all pulling a Jose today? I took a short. Nice, Scott. I can see it for sure. I mean, I think structurally, at least on the 2 minute and the 5 minute, that's
I got short too.
the only option.
I like this down to
Below a day. Yep. Yep. Definitely see that.
I'm gonna put and be really aggressive in case this wants
Still
to
flattening
slip.
that. Hi, Paul.
Good morning, Paul. Really curious to see what happens down here at 25.
Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness.
Again. I'm in at 30. 50.
Morning, Jose. We were just talking about you. Were your ears
Flat.
ringing? Are you flat?
Is that
Okay.
even a question? We should almost put bets on what Jose is. Flat or? If this thing flips this news pin, or this pin here, I might get out of the trade. Let's see what happens here.
Yep. I think it's a decent entry.
Yeah, it's decent.
Either way.
Don't love the,
Yeah.
like I said, this low a day VWAP. Right, but I think if we can just stay below it and break it with some strength to the downside. If you come back here and see these orders did not fill at 25.
Oh, the elevator rides. That's why shorts are the best, because they can move so quickly. You get such a better feeling out of a short than a long that takes like 1,000 years to make it up to its target.
Yes.
Uh,
Let's just see what happens here.
morning. Ooh, gonna happen? Gonna happen?
No, I'm not seeing the follow through that I want to see. That kind of sucks.
No, it almost looks like it's going to, but it's not going up either. So I don't think you're out of it yet. Here we go. Yeah, feels like it's gonna happen.
Yeah, it feels like and it happening are two different things. You can't,
I don't. Are you looking at the 5 minute? Like all
No.
the wicks to the downside?
no, that's not good.
Yeah.
I can just tell when you say, "Did you look at the 5 minute?" I didn't. And then see these orders coming on above now. Like if we don't,
No,
if we
you're
take these
so
orders
hard.
at 30, if we take these orders at 32 with buying strength, we're going to get back above this previous day value area high. And
What happened to your screen? It's gone.
Oh,
Screen went blank. Just our faces now. There you go.
I clicked something by accident.
Yeah, I'm going to see what happens at this Vwap, because if it breaks above it,
Yeah.
we'll see though. I need not to be in a rush because there was a fake out earlier and I don't want to get faked out.
Yeah. Love it.
Trading's hard, guys. It's hard. It's hard to figure this stuff out. You just stare at these little candles moving on the screen all day. Like, how do you explain this job to other people? That's what I want to know. Oh, cool. Natural gas. And is that nice?
It's a small world, Christine. Did you know Mark, the guy from Mexico, used to trade Forex?
Oh, that's so funny.
What a small world it is. Like, it's weird when you talk about trading and then you meet people and they probably never talked about their trading past until you bring up trading.
Yeah. And why did he stop trading Forex?
I never asked him to be the next conversation.
Well, I think he manages restaurants now or something, right? Or a hotel, or...
I didn't ask. I was already being too nosy.
Oh.
Just asking them where they live now, why they chose to live there.
Did you tell the chat you're coming to Mexico?
Did he tell the chat? Oh, no. I have not. I'm going to Mexico for the month of September and October. For the month of October, basically, we'll be in Mexico. Streaming live from Sayulita. Gonna be Christine found us a little 2-bedroom condo across the street from her place. So we were planning on doing a trip to Mexico, like an all-inclusive, and this is actually gonna work out, you know, not much more than it would have been for a 7-day all-inclusive vacation.
Yeah, it's just crazy.
Which is wild.
I don't know. I don't see a rejection yet, Dave, because I am on a 2-minute and 5-minute. So I'm still looking at green bars for both the 5-minute and the 2-minute. On MES. I should clarify.
Oh, this is what I don't like about Project X. I had the wrong New York VWAP up.
Oh my goodness.
I know.
Well, this is slow.
Wah, wah, wah. Scott, where's your stop at? Are you just at the New York VWAP if you're doing the 4 points? Probably somewhere around here.
No, the money does not go further in Mexico, where we are, at least. In some parts of Mexico, for sure. But the place that we're going to is already, like, touristy enough that it's expensive, like everywhere else. I mean, not everywhere else, but a lot of places.
Well, the place is cheaper than we pay for our rent for our house back home. So in that sense, it's cheaper.
Yeah.
I think what we're getting in return for what we're spending would cost 5 times as much here. Like to live by the beach, and all these other things. Like obviously you don't get the future infrastructure of living in a city, but like they got Starlink, they got RO, the water's RO in the building. Like, what more do I need? Like,
What's that mean?
Like it's reverse osmosis. Like it's.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh, you're so lucky.
Yeah, no bottled water.
Oh my gosh. That's like a huge thing for me in Mexico, which I don't love.
Oh, the bottled water?
The not being able to like rinse out my pasta because you can't have like wet water on your food to eat it.
Oh, I never even really thought about that.
Yeah. Dow is bouncing. Bounce, baby, bounce.
What did I do, guys? I tried to add the Dow chart.
Now I see the rejection on MES on the 2-minute. We'll see if that lasts.
I just added Dow to the charts.
So, remind me what assets you swing trade again. I could ask you in our conversation, but I'll ask you here because I think you're still listening. Pardon?
No, I just want to swing trade. I love it. Yeah. I didn't know you could swing trade prop firms.
Swing trade what?
I didn't know you could use prop firms to swing trade.
Well, you can use FTMO to swing trade. So
And
you have
that's
to go back
CFDs
to
then, right?
CFD. Yeah. Yeah,
Come on now.
I can see it. Not liking this price action. I mean, I think overall it's a good short entry. Like if you weren't paying attention to anything else other than just the chart pattern, I mean, it's a great short entry.
NQ is taking its lower day VWAP. Let's see if ES can.
Indices crypto, Forex metals, indices crypto. Okay, cool.
See this normally, if I took this rejection of the New York VWAP, like as my short entry,
Mm-hmm.
I usually get smoked at the lower day. Like it doesn't take the lower day. That's why I kind of wait for the lower day break.
Yeah, but usually if you're far, like the VWAP in the lower day is really close right now.
Yes,
But
yes.
if you're farther, you could literally take a trade from New York VWAP
VWAP to the lower day. Yeah.
Yeah. So I think overall trading the VWAPs for over a year, low of days and high of days have always been the worst outcomes. And if you look back, there's always a better entry. And even when they don't end up breaking, there's times when you could have gotten out there and still had a winning trade. So it's like, I don't think they're worth taking if you trade the VWAP itself. If you're only trading high of day and low of days, then okay, like get your stats on that. But I don't think they're worth it otherwise.
So I want to take some time hopefully this weekend. I'll put like a note on my desk, but I want to go back and look at my stats, and I'm pretty sure my low a day VWAP stats are going to be twice, if not way even more better than my high a day VWAP. Like how many losses to wins?
Yeah.
Because the lower day, when price slides, it slides. On a higher day, you don't take the high day VWAP and price just pops.
Yeah.
Right. But on the downside, when you get a break of the lower day and you're in a bearish move down, it slides.
Yeah.
So I can see like how like those are winning versus where higher day you get the high day and then it just struggles to get above it. And like again here on the 1 minute, like found perfect support at that lower day VWAP.
Mm-hmm.
And if we're using YM as a look at YM. Took the opening range low, broke back above it, retested it, now took in its New York VWAP. Now is ES going to follow and move up with it?
I don't know. It's certainly not really doing much, is it?
And then NQ is just lagging.
So I don't know if you guys were watching the ASFX stream yesterday, but Randy was able to catch himself before, tilt. We on podcast actually, and Ack will know. Ack even mentioned he can see the steps to where Randy tilts, and it's obviously so easy to see from an outside perspective. I can see it, and I could, he was able to basically ID his behavior before he tilts and stop it before it happens, which I think is really important. And I think it's a good combo to talk about. It's do you all know what happens right before you enter your tilting phase? What are the steps that bring you to that point?
Yeah, no.
I know Randy's. I don't think I know mine at the moment, which is so funny. And it's I can see Randy's, but I can't see mine as clearly.
For me, I'm even recognizing now the longer I sit in this trade, I'm trading the 9 accounts. If I get out of this trade green, I don't think I will trade it again. Yeah,
why not? Why? It's we have been sitting here watching this price action do nothing. So it's ugh. But you're in a trade. I mean, you have let it play out because you took it.
Oh yeah, no, I'm gonna let it play out.
And I the more time that we stay under this VWAP, it's looking great. We'll try Czar. Dear NQ, please move lower. I have this video idea that I'd love to do if I was posting on Instagram, a parody video about, how everyone posts their morning routines as a trader or whatnot, but I would do it the funny version where it's just funny shit. It's blowing on the screen and, waking up with charts plastered on your face and just the opposite of what it's actually but sort of how it is in our minds.
Yeah, I don't. The more I look at everything, even NQ being as bearish as it is, it still really didn't stay underneath this low a day VWAP. ES is kind of just chugging along here, and then if you pull up YM for a sec, which I have on now, I threw a low a day VWAP on YM and look at it just holding it. I could see more room to the upside than the downside on this trade. I could see.
Well,
who am I? Forecasting is not good. Forecasting is a bad thing. I just need to.
64.29 on MES has just been wicked 3 times, almost exactly, and then just there's this area on look at the 5 minute. Pull up your 5 minute.
Yeah, well, what's that? Yeah. The 5 minute.
See, look at that. What is that?
Yeah.
Just crap.
I don't know what that level would be. Isaac could probably have it marked for sure, but you can see there. Look at it there. That is Christine. Wow, that is interesting.
Mm-hmm.
It actually looks gross.
Yeah, it does. Think you have time to get a coffee before anything happens?
Yep.
Okay, I'll be back. I'm going to mute you guys just so my kids don't run up here and ruin everything.
How's everybody in the chat doing? Sorry, guys, I've been a little hyper-focused on this trade, so I need to kind of step back for a second. Put my hands up. Again, everybody knows about the top one sale. And Wakey pointed out that you can stack an extra 5% discount on top if you use stack 5. So if you use Christine's code or my code, either or, same thing, 55% off of everything site-wide. You throw that stack 5 on after, get another 5%. Is this thing going to spill over while Christine's gone? Let's see if it can take this 29 level. Very interesting. Look at that. What's the follow through? Nice work, Jordan. Keith, that's the worst. Yeah, I like that, JP. I like that analysis for sure. I wonder where Zara is today. We're missing our boy Chirag. Let's go. Come on now. Giddy up. Hey, I'm going to bring my stop down, guys. And Q just made a new low a day. YM is really holding that low a day VWAP. It's crazy.
There you go. Looking good.
Look at YM holding that low a day VWAP. Your 29s have gotten taken, Christine, so.
Perfect. Yeah, it looks better. Nice job, Keith.
Nice work, Keith. I'm going to see what happens here, but I might bring my stop into break even here pretty quick. I just don't like the level we're sitting at. And if this thing just bounces here.
Yeah, and I mean, let me get my trusty calculator out. You're at $450 for the day. If you took it at 50.
Yeah.
In like, what, 25 minutes? That's what I've been trying to think about earlier. Like yesterday, took a trade. I think I made $57, you know, on 3 accounts. So $171, but I was only in the trade for 20 something minutes. So I'm trying to think about that in, you know, to even out how much profit I'm going to take or to be Matt. Oh, perfect. Great. So, I told it to move down and it did.
You need to go get another coffee. That's what you need to do. I need to walk away and get a coffee like I did last week.
Sure. Why don't you? I'd move your stop back up to normal stop though, but
like back up here above this thing?
Yeah, I mean, like let it work. I think. I hope I didn't tell you the wrong thing, but
it's okay. Look at the wick again on the 5-minute, Christine. So what is that telling you on the 5-minute, that the sellers just can't maintain control? Like every time the sellers push it down, the buyers are bringing price back up when you see wicks like that? What do you see?
I don't know. I'm not a wick person. I need to learn more about wicks.
Well, it means price got that low at one point.
Yeah,
and
but like
the price didn't close there.
Up. Yeah. You're going to buy a new combine, but got selected for Top Step VIP program. Sweet. I don't even know what that is. You got a 100K combine for 3 months with 2 resets. That's amazing, Keith. That is amazing.
Keith probably just has showed, like, probably demonstrated, like, consistent trading. So they probably rewarded him with that. Like, he's not a degen, for all we know.
Are you guys, like, is anyone thinking about top 1 accounts? What ones are you thinking? I'm not purchasing any at the current moment. I love the sale, don't get me wrong, but I think if you have an account already, don't bother getting accounts at the, like, truthfully. Like, just don't get them. If you blow an account or you need another account, great. It's a great time to capitalize on the sale. But I think sometimes when we get these secondary accounts in the background, we're more apt to blow the account that we're on, because in our minds it's saying, oh, well, I have this other account. You know, you're more apt to let yourself tilt a little bit or to kind of just go crazy size because now you have this other account in the background. So to me, if you have accounts going on and you're not trying to like scale up your amount of accounts, then I would say chill. Got a 50K account yesterday, straight to funded. Nice. So that is the trailing drawdown. And you like those, Dave?
Interesting little volatility there.
Oh.
If you see on Bookmap, the way the order is filled, YM finally got below its low a day VWAP and then popped back above it now. And it was weird because like NQ was like surging, YM was dropping, and then ES was like stuck in the middle, like on these two candles here.
Yeah, this is looking good.
Very interesting.
Social balance set now. Great. I mean, if it got back down to that like 27.50, I'd take the $50 and run, to be honest.
Yes.
Because like, how long have we been sitting in this trade? How much more time do you guys want to spend?
I agree, Christine, 100%.
The longer you spend in a trade, the less money you get closer to the you might as well work at Starbucks level, is what I always think.
Well, it's crazy how like YM starting to move down, but NQ starting to almost move up, and it's like ES is just stuck in the middle.
Randy, go out to the 1 hour level. Like Ak is saying.
1 hour, yeah. Is your stop above previous 2 1 hour wicks?
Well, oh yeah, you got to go on electronic trading hours for that one.
So that would put me at 440. No, I'm 4 points under it.
But that's cool. Is that how you do your stops on your hour charts, Ak? Tell me more.
Chirag is here. Now like YM is sliding. YM's going to go to make a new low a day. Why is ES not sliding with it, Dave? What's going on here?
What are you at? You're back at your $50.
There you go, Kristen.
Thank you. Ooh, $62. See, why do you have your dollars on?
Oh, because with that overnight trade, I had to see something like what the size and how I was trading.
I just like.
So I should actually turn that back off.
Mm-hmm.
I do better with having it on points, Christine. I do agree with you, but I'm not going to black out up top here. Come on, give me another little push down.
I got my calculator out. What are we at? $56 times 9? That'd be $500, Randy.
Yeah, it's not. I'm leaving $90 on the table. Yeah, I got something.
There you go.
$40.
So what is that?
$40.
$360.
And you know what? After being in that trade for so long, I can just feel myself like not.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm out of the trade. Thank you for Christine for pushing me to just either do something and not be so.
How many minutes was that?
I was actually my next thing I wanted to talk about was setting a time stop because I was starting to get a little frustrated.
I gotta count it. 1.
So I'm gonna get a quick coffee now. Is that okay?
Yep.
My turn.
So 27 minutes. You made $13 a minute. Like, that's minimum wage for a lot of people. An hour. $13 a minute. I'll take any day. Do you guys like my... This is what I'm doing. I'm calculating things. Who's still in a short? Did anyone take profit on a short? Y'all still hoping? Watch it move down farther now. Guys, now that Randy's out, it's going to go down to the bottom, like 0. Still in it, Dave and Scott. Nice. Oh no, Nina, don't do it. There is always a trade another day, I'm telling you. Unless your entry comes up and it's like the most banging entry you've ever seen, just even lock yourself out if you want to. Oh my God, it's coming down. Yeah, Randy's gonna yell at me. We're already 10:30. If for those of you that haven't found an entry yet, just don't. Flat is a position. Luca, break even's great too. You always have to remember, or this is what I like to remember, there are easy days in trading, and like we all know what those are in our head. Like when the price action is so easy and it's like you feel like you'd have to be a total idiot not to make money. I think those are the days that we need to wait for and just keep ourselves afloat for everything else. Previous day POC being annoying. Yep. Close it there. Nice, Dave. Nice. Yeah, because it took a lot to get that $75. So imagine you didn't close and it turned around on you. Like how annoyed you'd be. It's so funny because if you look at the chart, like I don't like Randy's 1 minute, it looks disgusting. But if you look at the 5 minute or the 2 minute, it looks like just like a nice short. It just has, like sitting here watching it has just taken so long. It'll be interesting to see what happens here. I have all-time high Vwap on, and right now it's basically rejecting that. The price of that is $27.50. So it'll be interesting to see if it rejects that or breaks below. Oh, you want to see my screen? I can. It's very white. Oh, no, I can't because Randy has to change it. Sorry, JP. But basically, I think it's previous day POC is $27.50. $27.50 is exactly where the all-time high Vwap is. So if there's like a strong rejection, or I guess support here, I would, look back and say, oh, it bounced from the all-time VWAP. Oh, your team white chart, nice. I'm still black chart in Project X because can't figure out how to get it to this like gray background. But on my trading view, I'm white chart. Anybody still in the short? Sorry, I've lost track. Scott, you were in. Dave's out now, I think. Luke is out at break even. Nina's hopefully not feeling as impatient. Maybe she's walked around, gotten a coffee, something like that.
Oh, we should have put your chart on, Christine.
Why does that look like a beer?
What?
Like a
What do you mean?
Guinness. Is that what you're drinking?
Having a pint first thing in the morning. I roll.
Is that how much coffee you drink? Look at the size of my cup compared to your cup.
It's the same size cup. It's just a double-walled cup. Fools you.
Oh, I get it.
But it's really a Guinness. I'm not even kidding. I won my trade every time I want to have a winning trade. I have a beer.
Really? Can't tell.
Look at YM now. What's going on here? What happened? Like, look at this. I thought when YM tips over, ES was gonna follow suit. Hillary's got it open on the iPad. She's watching our stream, and I was like looking at it, and I'm like, oh, maybe I shouldn't have closed, but I'm glad I closed. This thing is probably gonna want to tip over. And look at NQ's back above its low day VWAP. But I'm good with it, Christine. You're right. I just need to be.
So Randy,
You can tell I was getting frustrated in that trade. I started moving my stop, moving my take profit.
I said when you were gone that you were going to be mad at me because it went lower.
No, I'm not mad at you. I'm actually happy you got me to do
that. Do you want to share my screen for a hot minute? So people can.
So I think you're able to now, Christine. If you go to, can you hover over and say, does it say add to stage?
Oh.
Yeah, so you have full control now.
How do I do that? No?
So if you hover over it, it says add to stage.
Hover over what?
The box where it says where you can see the picture of your screen, like under the pictures of us on the bottom.
No, it's not telling me anything.
Oh, okay, so. Oh, you have to, so go to my screen and remove it.
What? I don't see your screen.
Like, look below the big screen that we're on. See where like, there's all boxes of us?
Yeah.
So can you see my screen's in the middle? You remove it.
No, I don't see your screen.
Oh, weird.
Do you want me to send you a picture?
Oh, we'll do it after.
Everyone, get ready to be blinded. So this all-time high VWAP was what I was just watching, and like we rejected. But now, on the 2-minute at least, we've broken through. We're going to go to the 5-minute. It's broken through as well. You have your previous day New York VWAP below. The 1 hour. We're breaking through below that as well. But we'll see. We're still mid-candle, right? So we'll have to see if this keeps going. But we're also in between the high day and low day.
I'm just going to sit here and enjoy my beer and watch this thing tip over.
Okay, now you got to change the screen back. I can't look at my screen on your screen. It's way too white after looking at yours. Oh. There you go. So much better.
Should I get back in? Should I long it from here?
Now I have FOMO. Is that because you got out and it went lower?
Lock your account, Dave.
Yeah.
Nick Jocelyn shorted it from 63.32 to 63.25.
Of course he does. That's it? 63.25? Oh, no, that's pretty good, actually. No, yeah. 63. Wait, what did he short it?
You got 7 points out of the trade.
Oh, my gosh, it's going. It's dumping.
You got 7 points with 2 minis.
Nice.
So what is that? That is 500. So you got $700 on 58 accounts. Where's your calculator, Christine? Nice work,
I got
Scott.
it. $700 times 58. $40,600.
I just said little day for him. Scott, how did you? Are you break even now? I know you got 4.5 points out of that trade, so 4.5 on 4. You'd be slightly green on the day, because I know you said you had a minus $83 trade earlier.
This trade was a really slow burn, so you
Yes.
have to have a lot of patience for this one.
I really wanted a coffee, so.
Yeah, and you can't be like, you got $40 times, well, what did we calculate at? $360. Like they're in 25 minutes. You made $13 a minute, Randy.
I heard you saying that when I was walking out the room.
Like there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. It's amazing.
Oh, nice work, Scott. I don't know why I thought I read minus $83, but good for you. I thought you took a long off market open. Nice work, Scott. Let's go. I love it. I was talking to Scott about probabilistic thinking when it comes to trading. So that book I'm reading right now, Trading Psychology by Yumi.
Yep.
It's all about probabilistic thinking. So thinking in probabilities when it comes to trading, because there's always going to be fluctuations in the market that's out of your control. You could have the best idea, best thesis, best setup, and you still get stopped out because the market, that's just the way the market fluctuates.
Yeah.
So basically, if you're, if you win every 7 out of 10 trades, well, then if you bet the same amount, you're going to be up 700 on your 7 winners, and then your 3 losers, you're going to be down. Like you'll still finish the week at 400, up 400, kind of like.
Right.
Always have to think like that. Forget about every single win and loss.
Yes.
Look at it like probabilities. If you have a 70% win rate with your strategy and your edge, you should see expectancy. Like it's all about the long-term expectancy of your strategy, not I can do it today and I can do it. You know what I mean? Like it has to be over time. So it's like if you have a negative RR and you have a really low win rate or something, you're gonna obviously it's not gonna work, right?
Yeah. Nice job, Scott. Have a great day.
Yeah, good work, Scott. I love it.
What did Austin take today? Have we seen anything?
I don't know if he took anything, to be honest. Doesn't look like it. I know James was in a short. I thought I saw something. Just having a peek in the Black Shirt Club, see if anybody did anything. Yeah, James took a short.
Got out, yeah. On the 5 minute. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, he got out early too.
James did, right?
Yeah. Although he's on, he's just on the CFD one, US 500, but from what I can tell.
Went break even on my short, but kind of like the long idea at previous days value area low. Also have a long-term level, I'm assuming, in there.
You did not take profits a little too aggressively.
Who?
You.
Oh. Yeah,
You
I
took
could have taken them.
based on some annoying ass price.
Yes. I
action.
agree. I'm not mad, Christine. I have to also
I know,
at this
but you're
date.
saying you took it aggressively. I'm gonna yell
Yeah,
at you.
because I have to remind myself that I need to have confidence in my trade too. If that makes sense. Like not so much fear of loss.
I won't yell at you then. Change my mind. Yeah, but I think there's a balance between fear of loss and getting it green. Like you had been in drawdown, you got back in the green, you took the trade, you took your profits. Is it?
Yeah, when you put it like that,
Yeah.
it does make a lot of different sense. For sure.
There was as much of a chance that this would have. Imagine the scenario where you did not take profits when it got back down to this level that had been fighting for a long time, that it just turned around and moved back up.
Can we just
why didn't I take profits? You're only saying now that was aggressive because it moved down more.
Can we rewind and just pretend that this is how the day ended on the chart?
Yeah, would have been a sick exit.
Forget about looking at that.
Yeah, don't look at this because it's still moving down. My God.
I just have to remind myself that I'm up 575 from the Asian session trade, so I'm actually up like close to $1,000.
Yeah. Maybe we should all write this down and never listen to Christine about taking profits.
No.
Whenever I'm like, you should probably take profits here, you'd be like, oh no,
What if it bounced off of this previous day's point of control and stopped me out?
But there usually is a rule that once you're out, it will go further.
Yes. That's me and Scott talk about this all the time. This is the market. This is the market humbling you.
Yeah.
Like when you have too tight of a stop and you get stopped out to a wick and it goes the other way, that's just the market reminding you that you're not there yet. You're not ready. This is gonna spill over for like 50 points. But even then I would have been out of my consistency anyways.
Yeah. Yeah, you really gotta watch that. Good evening. Yeah, I know. It's close all the way down. It's like I'm just gonna shake all you losers out of this trade and then I'm gonna make the big move.
What are you calling losers? Team Godlike. What's happening?
That's okay. Selling early is okay in my opinion.
Don't worry, Wakey. We can blame Christine.
If you're green, you're green.
Christine's fault.
Yeah, it is all my fault. You're right.
It's all Christine's fault we made money.
Yeah.
Got to reframe it, right?
Who made a better per minute wage today? That's what I want to know. Better than Randy. Randy's at $13.33 a minute. Tell me what your per minute wage is.
Too much math, Christine.
No, I'll calculate it for you. Just write out the numbers and I'll do it for you guys.
Christine, we got to book our flights for LA today.
No, we don't. I think I might book them next week.
Why next Tuesday?
Because I have to book other flights today.
Oh. Okay. You'll just pay the difference if it's more for mine then, right?
Well, you can book yours. We're going to be on the same flight.
I was going to say to Austin, maybe we should do the comedy club on Wednesday night.
Oh yeah, because we're doing dinner on the Thursday.
Yeah, maybe we'll go for your birthday. We'll go to the Comedy Store.
Well, my birthday's on the Thursday.
What?
Mm-hmm.
That sucks.
Why?
I'm just kidding.
I don't really care. It's not like a good birthday at all. I'm old. That's all I know.
You're not old.
Evan took the shorter. I could see it for sure if he did.
Austin just doesn't like his shorts.
Oh, Thomas took a short. Nice. That's sweet. He had a sweet trade. You should put that up on your screen. Becca, shorten her little heart out.
What happened here?
Show Thomas's trade.
I'm trying to pull it up.
Just like open up the BSC on this screen. Can you do that? Yeah, there you go. Look at that, people.
Added to and immediately regret my decision. Intention was to drag stop lower once new structure was made, but then it bounced. Didn't wait for candle closure. Just being greedy, adding another $100 of risk to the trade.
So he did move stop to 37. So he had stop way higher than you.
Yeah,
which
he's
is what
opening
Ash
range.
would have said. Yeah. But he's below the opening range. So that just seems like an excessive stop to me, but nice. That's great job. Now, per minute, what is that? No one has given me their minute wage. You need to know. I've made $0 per minute today. But at least it's not negative.
Oh, I like that. I like it because you got like the break and the retest of the slow day, and then he trailed his stop down to previous day's New York and got stopped out here somewhere. Nice trade, Thomas.
Yeah, really nice trade.
There it is. There's the bounce.
There's the what? Oh, the bounce.
The bounce.
Yeah.
Today I made $500 and caught a total of 120 points in MNQ in 4 trades. Yeah. Nice work, Chirag. So what is that? Kind of like what you look to take 150. I don't know what the point to dollar is on NQ, but you look to take like your risk to reward is kind of 150 on a trade or something. Or not 150, sorry, 125. So that's kind of, what is that? That's 5 points on 5 micros.
I can't do that math even with my calculator.
Christine, you didn't take anything today, right?
Me? No.
I'm proud of you.
I have a great markup that totally would have won.
We are so proud of you.
Thank you. I'm long only right now until I can be a little bit more chill with shorts.
Well, I think we can wrap this up here today, guys. Yeah. What does everybody think? Czar made some money.
Mm-hmm.
No giveaway today. I think Wakey managed to get back some money. David, everybody did good. I'm happy. It was good. It's a good day. A little too aggressive on the profit taking, but good day.
Whatever. Made money.
What would we do without you, Christine?
I know.
So yeah, everybody.
Long now. I like it, Dave. This is a good, like, to me, this is the long you want to try. Because like on that 2 minute, there was such like 64.1950 on ES. Like such low risk to reward.
Where do you take profits now?
Doesn't matter. Maybe previous day New York Vwap, if it makes it there, but it's not even like you have to make it all the way back to the New York Vwap. Oh God, I have a child coming up. Hold on.
Interesting. Well, let us know how that works out, Dave. Were you looking to take profits? Target VWAP or opening range? Nice.
Break even, stop now. Close to a 3, sweet. Like it. Like it.
Oh, he was targeting IB low. I don't have IB low on my chart.
Yeah.
Just have opening range and that's it. IB low would be basically previous days New York, no? Yeah.
Where do you are you on NQ or ES? That's
MES.
MES?
Yeah.
Stopped out on the remainder. Okay. I don't. Do you think your stop was a little tight there?
He pulled his stop to break even after taking 2 or 3 off.
Okay.
So.
What was your entry, Dave?
Yeah, you entered at 21 and you closed at 23.50.
Oh, 64.
Okay, well, guys, let's wrap it up. I think
21. Got it. Yep.
We're getting into that time where it might start to dry up, or this thing might just tip over. But if anybody's on the trade, just take it easy and let this play out a little bit. And yeah, I think that's it. We will.
All right, guys.
See you guys all Thursday. I'll be on Austin stream tomorrow. At some point, if Christine wants to come in and do a live stream.
Oh yeah, we're not streaming tomorrow.
Yeah.
Great.
So.
No, I'm actually I'm flying out tomorrow to Utah, so I will take the morning to just.
Well, that worked out good this time.
Yeah, that worked out great. So you guys
Awesome.
are on your own.
Everybody enjoy their day. Thanks for being here.
Yeah, thank you so much.
See you guys tomorrow.
Talk soon. Bye.